Hi, Jason Muszala again with Flying Heritage to give you the Flying Heritage maintenance update on the aircraft side of things. August was pretty busy as it has been all summer. One exciting piece of news for restoration is that we did receive the UMO 211 engine for our Stuka dive bomber. So if you haven't seen that yet, it's an absolutely beautiful engine and quite large. It's a piece of work, so you need to come in and check that out for sure. On the maintenance side of things, we completed the annual inspection on the Focke-Wulf 190 and the IL-2, which you see me with right here. We had a couple of events that we participated in as well. One was the Arlington Air Show. We flew the Mustang and the P-40 for that air show and did quite well up there. It was a really neat display. And then, of course, we had our own Luftwaffe Day, where we flew the Me-109, the Thunderbolt, the Spitfire, Hurricane, and of course the Fiesler Storch, one of my favorites, as you all know. Looking forward to next month. It's going to be kind of sleepy around here. A lot of us are going to be up with the ME-262 project, getting that ready to certify and hopefully fly pretty soon. So stand by for updates on the ME-262 and look forward to seeing y'all around.